So we're back at the old truck again. So anyway, we've been doing a little bit of metal work onto it here and there. That's one of the doorposts done. But anyway, you see in this area, this is it's pushed in that time, but it's pretty well let go. But I mean, the thing is, I probably wasn't helping either, so I was putting in. But considering we had some holes here, I was going to, as you can see the marker that I described here, right now it's going to take it up and cross here. And put that back. So what we've done, as you can see, I got this probably cut. It's only a piece of metal, and what we've done, we just is the same height here as what we as it is from the underneath the cross member to here. So anyway, because we actually put it on it and drew the line. But anyway, all we done was just cut the corners out to the width of this, and just tip these down right here, so it'll come over and come down here. Right? It's not going to go down all the way, but just to give it a little bit of shape to it. So I guess we're going to put it on, cut the piece out, clamp it back in, and see if we can weld it on anyway. I was thinking about just actually overlapping it under here and just cut the line here and weld it, cut it, weld it, cut it. But then I thought at times, like, I'd never be able to get that piece back out. So anyway, I don't want that rusty piece of metal left in there. So that's how we're going to do it. We'll just put it on, clamp it in place, and cut it off. Remove the piece and then take the piece out and put it back, and hope we can get the rod back pretty close to it. So I'm trying to do, so we obviously you can tell I actually have this piece so it fits pretty good. I have this here just to hold it in place there. So what we'll do now, we'll just make sure this is up there enough. And there we are. So we'll get the cutting wheel now, we'll cut that off right there. And remove the piece again, and hopefully we'll get it back in the same spot. Okay, so we got the piece out cut out. And mostly there, when you little touch up here or there. So it's off. Now I guess I'll just clean the metal up a bit around the area and see if we can put the piece back in. Just tacking the corner and getting this fuel tack skidder pretty good, and then when it gets it done I'll actually clamp it in and sink it up in the bottom. But anyway, in the meantime I plan on spot welding up to the bottom, so I'm only some spot weld holes in here, so when I do get it attach it underneath I'll have a spot to weld. Back again. So let's finish drilling the holes. Just put this in the corner, tack it up. And now basically what I'm going to do is just push this in and get a tack onto it. And we continue along to the panel and just push it in flush and get it tack onto it. And the thing about this is, if you put it in and you're not happy with it, or whatever it is, like this one here, it's out of it more, I'm not happy with that one already. So I'll just knock that one back off. Put this one in here, get that one probably knock that one back off, and put that one in where I want it. So just follow it along and check back shortly. Okay, so we made a little bit more progress. Let's have a look. So we'll spot weld it in, pass. We'll fully weld it eventually, but the thing is, next would be a hot test of this. We're going to get this pulled in and we're going to see if we get it fast enough. And we got all the holes there. So it may be just a little bit hard welding underneath the truck. I have plans on tipping it forward on the firewall at some point, but for now, just to get her located, I may just sink a few self-tappers up to the hole and just to hold it where I want it to, and then I'll come back here and you know how much this is actually going to straighten up. Like, I'm going ahead and make this come down and over here, straighten the cab corner out a little bit better. But like I said, now that's why I put this piece on. Probably cut it off, weld it onto that, weld it on there, and probably come down here anyway. But we have to do that on both sides. So straighten some stuff up. So anyway, moving on. Okay, so we finished tacking this part in again. So far I didn't go all the way over there because the stand I got it on is actually in the way of it a little bit. It's no trouble, I'll do it after. I don't think you can see it or not. There's got a couple of self-tapping screws in there, just on the bottom piece where it rolls around. So we can see around this area where it's on the inside. And nice. Obviously this thing here got to be repaired. No big deal. Okay, so I guess that's going to be it for today. If you look at here anyway, the inside of the cab again, it's done. You know, it's nice and solid, and we got to move on to do doors now, so we can keep moving ahead with it. So as always, if you like what you see here, continue subscribing. Should be lots of interesting stuff along the way. But anyway, until next time, it's Bernie, and we'll see you then.